To attach files to a card, simply open any card and go to the Attachment tab. From here, you'll find multiple options. The first three are cloud storages like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. These are simple. Just click on them, enter your credentials, and start syncing your files as attachments on your cards. The last three are more traditional, so attach from URL, from uploading from your device, or from the clipboard. So let's show you all three. I'm going to start with this one. So I'm going to upload an image. I'm just going to click this button, find an image, put it on the card, boom, it's here. So this is attached from your device. The next one is attached by URL. So you go to find an image, you copy the image address, the URL of the address. You come back here, you just put the link, put some sort of description, and add the link. So this is a second type of attachments by URL. And the third one is copy from clipboard. So just go on any image, do a copy image this time instead of copying the address, and now it's in your clipboard. So whatever's in your clipboard, you can just click this button and it will start pasting whatever's in that clipboard. So you've got the three types of icons right here representing the three sources of attachments. You can then rename your attachments by just typing a new name on top of this. You can download, you can delete, and as you saw behind the scene, the card keeps getting updated every time you add attachments. So if I close this, you will see all your attachments directly on the card, and you can obviously start deleting some and they will automatically delete from the card.